Near Space Systems, a world leader in lighter-than-air aerospace vehicles, is proud to unveil StarShadow, the world's newest and most advanced medium-altitude airship. NSS expects to be flying StarShadow in early 2015. StarShadow is a breakthrough unmanned or optionally manned aerospace vehicle that can provide continuous wide-area surveillance, sensing, and communications capabilities for up to 3 weeks in a single mission. The StarShadow airship design reduces the total operating cost of a surveillance and communications platform by 90% compared to fixed-wing, unmanned aircraft alternatives that can only remain airborne for hours, not weeks like StarShadow. The StarShadow airship is solar-powered and operates using helium or hydrogen as its lifting gas. StarShadow maneuvers using electromechanical flight controls that include elevons and rudders. The shape of this environmentally sensitive airship is based on the Near Space Systems flight-proven Star Tower aerostat gas envelope. This innovative and proprietary gas envelope shape is a high-performance airfoil generating a positive 2-to-1 lift-to-drag ratio. Maneuvering is greatly enhanced by the airship's vectored thrust with variable pitch propellers that provide StarShadow's short takeoff and landing capability. Finally, an internal multi-chambered ballonnet system is also used to actively control the airship's center of gravity. StarShadow is designed for long-duration unmanned operations, but it does come with an optional pilot module that allows a pilot to fly in the airship for manned flight operations. The payload system, located throughout the 2 fuselage pods and belly-mounted racks, has ample space, weight, and power capacity to support a wide range of payload sensors. Modular, open architecture payload system allows different sensors to be added or changed in the field to permit StarShadow to easily adapt to mission changes. Power for StarShadow flight operations is provided by solar cells located on the top surface of the airship. StarShadow is also equipped with a high-efficiency auxiliary power unit or APU, which augments the airship's solar power when cloud cover reduces solar energy collection. Excess solar electric energy is collected during the day and stored in a battery bank to provide power for night operations. StarShadow can remain airborne for 3 weeks. Short solar days, such as during winter months, will reduce mission duration. Longer solar days during the summer and in the lower latitudes will increase mission duration. StarShadow will operate from surface up to 20,000 feet above sea level. Normal flight operations are optimized at 15,000 feet above sea level to remain below controlled airspace while operating well above hazards and small arms fire. The cruise speed for StarShadow is 42 knots indicated airspeed, with a dash speed of 50 knots indicated airspeed. With StarShadow's nearly vertical takeoff and landing capability, it can operate from a grass field, bare desert land, or certainly a prepared surface. Though it is heavier than air on the ground for stable ground operations, StarShadow's high aerodynamic lift produces a liftoff in approximately 100 feet of forward motion. StarShadow will climb out, averaging 700 feet per minute through 10,000 feet, and then slightly less to maximum flight altitude. StarShadow is normally flown by autopilot according to a programmed computer navigation profile. It can also be flown manually by an operator from a remote ground station or by a pilot in the cockpit module. A navigation profile is uploaded into StarShadow's flight computers before takeoff. The navigation profile can be modified in real time during flight using the command and control uplink. The operator can assume manual control of StarShadow at any time. With large flight control surfaces and vectored thrust, StarShadow is highly maneuverable. It is a high-performance sports car among airships. A programmed navigation profile will take StarShadow to specific navigation points at a specific speed to arrive at each point precisely on time. Again, the navigation profile can be changed in real time by uplinking or transmitting changes to the flight profile. Redundant uplinks include RF and SATCOM. StarShadow can be sized to carry any number and weight of payload sensors. As an example, a security surveillance payload suite of a multi-mode radar, long-range high-definition day-night video camera, and communications relay will weigh approximately 200 kilograms. The StarShadow payload bays can easily accommodate such a payload suite and much, much more. From 15,000 feet altitude, StarShadow's sensor coverage range is 110 kilometers or 70 miles in all directions, providing a coverage area in excess of 385,000 square kilometers or 150,000 square miles. The capabilities of StarShadow can support a wide range of applications that include border, port, and coastal security, protection of critical infrastructure, support of military and police operations, digital, high-resolution mapping of natural habitat, exploration for oil, gas, minerals, gems, and rare earth metals, protection of natural resources, and many other governmental or commercial applications. StarShadow can be recovered at any point in a mission. The duration of a mission is a function of solar energy collected and the amount of fuel available for the auxiliary power unit. If there is a higher than normal cloud cover that reduces solar power collection, then the mission duration will be reduced as the auxiliary power unit fuel will be consumed at a faster rate. StarShadow will fly a specific recovery profile as programmed and can recover by autonomous landing. StarShadow can also be recovered by manual flight control from the ground control station. With the variable pitch propellers, StarShadow can stop in a matter of a few feet or land like a helicopter. Upon landing, the auxiliary power unit can be refueled, helium or hydrogen can be added if needed, and any scheduled maintenance completed. Turnaround time for StarShadow between missions is approximately 90 minutes. StarShadow will report any maintenance issues to the ground control station through the command and control downlink. Some maintenance matters can be cleared up in flight by cycling subsystem power or rebooting computers. System redundancy is engineered into the airship to preclude mission interruption due to maintenance. StarShadow is available for purchase now for delivery in 2015. StarShadow will usher in a new era for security and defense capabilities and provide highly responsive wide-area surveillance, sensing, and communications. StarShadow's long mission duration, autonomous operations, and low cost will make it a primary security tool for nation-states and global businesses.